One of the reasons I came to Stevenson in the first place was because they offer business classes that I feel are more relevant to the real world and are applicable to situations that a lot of people are going to find themselves in after graduation. Well, the difference for me when we get industry professionals in the room actually talking to us, it's the ability to hear it from the horse's mouth.
I've made a ton of mistakes in business, in sales situations, in life, but the biggest thing that you have to be able to do is you have to be willing to self-assess, take feedback from others, and then learn from that, and then apply it to the next opportunity.
Most of your classes are going to be taught from a textbook, taught from a lecture, and you're going to study the material, you're going to take the test, you'll get your grade. But you don't really get the opportunity to see how those things apply until after you leave the classroom. Well, here we're seeing that every other week throughout different industries, different specific positions, people at different stages in their career paths. They tell us what they do, they tell us how they got there, and it sort of helps me at least decide for myself, is this something I'm interested in? I think a big part of this class is figuring out what works for you, and the opportunity to see all those different styles at play has definitely helped me in evaluating myself for whatever career I may find myself in.